Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to enable or disable pop-ups in Safari on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, we need to open Settings. For that, move to the top left corner and click on Safari from the menu bar. Now from this drop-down menu, click on Settings. A new Settings panel will pop up on your screen. Go to this panel and open the Website section at the top. On the left side, you will find some options. If you scroll down a bit, you will find the pop-up Windows option. Move there and click on it to open. Now on the right side, you will see the list of currently open websites and their pop-up settings. At the bottom, you will also see the option called When Visiting Other Websites. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you can choose an option according to your preference. To enable pop-ups, select Allow if you want to enable pop-ups in Safari. Or, if you want to disable pop-ups, simply select Block or Block and Notify. The Block and Notify option will stop pop-ups, but also let you know whenever a website tries to open one. Choose the option that works best for you, and the changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable pop-ups in Safari on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.